What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to change your server region in Ni no Kuni Cross Worlds. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. After launching the game, tap on Select Server. You may already be connected to a server. In this case, you'll be able to preview the server name here. In the Your Characters tab, you'll see where each character has last been played in. This will most likely be the same as your suggested server. In some cases, for example when using a VPN service, your character has been created on the wrong server. When selecting a new server in the All Servers list, you'll be able to change your server location. The Aqua and Sand servers are located in Asia. After selecting a new server, for example if your friends are playing on that particular server, then you will be prompted to select and create a new character, with which you will have to complete the tutorial again before joining other players on the server. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.